Are you looking for the nostalgia popcorn makers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 nostalgia popcorn makers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Nostalgia HKP 200 2.5-ounce Popcorn Popper. The Nostalgia HKP 200 is a 2.5-ounce popcorn popper that weighs 11 pounds and has dimensions of 13 inches by 12 inches by 23.5 inches. This unit lets you bring your family and friends together with a classic style design. This model comes with a huge stainless steel kettle and a built-in stirring system. You can enjoy 10 cups of popcorn at a time. The measuring cup is for the kernels while the measuring spoon is for oil to get perfect measurement per batch of popcorn. On the other hand, the marquee light and the vented window let you watch your popcorn popping with ease. To make your popcorn making much better and serving simpler, there is a handy drawer included in the design. In fact, you can customize this light marquee with more 150 reusable vinyl letters. Number 4. Nostalgia CCP399 Popcorn Popper. Nostalgia lets you have a full theater experience even at the convenience of your home. With CCP399, you get to enjoy 2.5 ounces of popcorn, which is 48 inches in height. With this size, your popcorn cart will be perfect for each party. It integrates 13-inch spoked wheels and a pull handle designed for added mobility. This popcorn popper by Nostalgia can pop a maximum number of 10 cups every batch. It comes with a built-in stirring system and a dual-hinged lid. All you have to do is to pull out its tilt door for easy scooping of popcorn for you, your guests and family. Furthermore, there is a storage compartment provided in Nostalgia CCP399. This way, you can maintain the cleanliness of your popcorn supplies in one large compartment. It will be easier to organize these things and get what you need when making your favorite snack. Number 3. Nostalgia KPM 508 2.5-ounce Vintage Tabletop Kettle Popcorn Maker. If you are considering a classic retro style of a popcorn machine, this KPM 508 Vintage Popcorn Maker by Nostalgia is what you need. Nostalgia KPM 508 is a reflection of the early 19th century vendor-style kettle popcorn maker which delivers convenience to your movie times and parties. This unit offers easy serving and access feature wherein you only need to pull out its tilt door. Then, just scoop up as much popcorn as you can. It can make up to 10 cups per batch with this 2.5-ounce kettle made of stainless steel. Just like other units of Nostalgia, it has a built-in stirring system and a dual-hinged lid that pops up tasty popcorn every batch. Moreover, you can also use other Nostalgia popcorn kits such as the soft-shelled popping kernels, PCJ30, and the pre-measured coconut oil popcorn kit, PCSP5. Number 2. Nostalgia KPM 200 2.5-ounce Tabletop Kettle Popcorn Maker. Featuring a 360-degree clear view popping chamber and lighted interior, popping popcorn in this Nostalgia KPM 200 is pretty simple and easy. You can make 10 cups per batch of popcorn pop perfectly without worrying whether or not you cook them correctly. This Nostalgia unit has an oil measuring spoon and kernel measuring cap for accuracy. It weighs 8 pounds and measures 13.2 inches by 11.2 inches by 17 inches. The tilt door integrated into this unit is designed for easier serving. It only has to be pulled out to access and scoop the popcorn. On the other hand, it has a red ball crank handle situated on one side of this unit. You can use this to dump your popped popcorn from its dual-hinged 2.5-ounce kettle made of stainless steel. Number 1. Nostalgia CCP1000 RED Vintage 10-ounce Professional Popcorn. The CCP1000 RED Vintage Commercial Popcorn Cart by Nostalgia is 59 inches in height and makes 40 cups of popcorn per batch. This model can create movie theater-style popcorns. It works well with any popcorn kits and each piece works perfectly for your full popcorn buckets. You can have the Theater Hot Air and Kettle Kit, or KPK 400, the reusable popcorn bowls, or PPB 600, the pre-measured coconut oil popcorn kit, or PCSP 5, or the 4-ounce popcorn oil and seasoning packs, or KPP 424. This 10-ounce kettle is made of stainless steel and includes a built-in kernel stirring system. There is also a dual-hinged lid designed for easy emptying popcorns. Moreover, you can quickly remove the kettle for easier cleaning. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.